Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the chest roll and the hip roll. Okay, before we start, I just want to say that these type of dance moves require practice over a long period of time, so don't be discouraged if you don't learn it after having watched this video. I'm here to give you the exercises in order to become really good at it, but it just takes time, to get your body used to these type of movements, okay? Okay, so the best way to practice these type of rolls, chest rolls, hip roll, whatever, is to place your body in these positions that it's going through when it's doing the roll, all right? So just follow me. Your chest, you want to push it to the front, all right? The next thing you want to do is push it to the left, and then you want to push it back, so sort of collapse here, and then to your right, and then again to the front, all right? So that's 4 positions that you want to practice. One important thing to notice is that you don't want to move your entire body, your upper body, when you're doing this. Let me just show it from the side. So this is not what you want to do. Yeah, you kind of want to isolate the chest, all right? So just only moving your chest, all right? So just try and practice with me. We're gonna go front, left, back, right, and then we're gonna do it again, okay? I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, a way to make the movement bigger, more exaggerated, is by using your shoulders as well. You might have noticed that I'm doing that already. So what I mean by that is when you push your chest to the front, you want to bring back your shoulders like that. All right, let me just show it from the side. Yeah, so pushing your chest to the front, but also bringing your shoulders back. All right, and the same can be done when you're moving to your left. So here you just want to push up your left shoulder, bringing your right shoulder down. Okay, and then when you go back, boom, shoulders to the front, and then you're collapsing here. All right, and then when you move to your right shoulder is up, left shoulder is down, and then you repeat. Shoulders back, left shoulder up, shoulders to the front, right shoulder up. All right, you could try and do this just by focusing on the shoulders. Let's try and do that. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your shoulders back, left shoulder up, shoulders to the front, right shoulder up, shoulders back, left shoulder up, shoulders front, right shoulder up, and shoulders back. All right, let's just try and practice one last time. All right, and then feel free to practice on your own, okay? So I'm just gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, front, left, back, right, and then we're gonna go again. Front, left, back, right, front, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front. Now, like I said before, just practice on your own at your own pace, all right? Start slow and then gradually speed up. And then the idea is that once you speed up more and more, you can try to do it a bit more fluently by thinking of going in a circle, all right? Boom. Boom. All right, doesn't have to be today. Just practice this until you feel comfortable, and then once you're comfortable, you can go around, round, round, round. All right, now to the hip roll. Now, the hip roll is the same as the chest roll, is the same principle. The way we want to practice is just by practicing those 4 positions: front, left, back, right, front, and so on, all right? Now, the key here is to practice down and level, all right? So you don't want to be up here because you won't be able to have that much movement, flexibility here compared to when you're down here, all right? There's much more movement, okay? So let's try and practice. What you want to do is go down a level, like I said before. So bend your knees. Now you want to push your hip to the front, hip to the left, hip back, and to the right. And then we want to repeat this process, all right? Now, before we practice, I just want to say that it's important that you don't move your whole body, all right? I mean, this is a move too, but it's not the one I'm gonna teach today. So what you wanna do is try and isolate it. So just move your hip, all right? In the beginning, it's gonna seem weird because if your body not used to doing this, it's not gonna seem that natural, all right, and comfortable. But it's gonna come, all right? So let me just show it from the side. What I mean is try and isolate it, boop, 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 boop. And it helps if you keep your arms on your hip, yeah? Sort of so you're aware of where you want to move your hip. Okay? So let's try and do that. We're going to go front, left, back, right, and again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, and. Okay, let's try and practice that again. All feel free to pause the video and practice at your own pace if you think it's going too fast or too slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, front, left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front. Now the idea is that you practice this over and over again, and then you increase the speed and then gradually move into doing it into a full circle, all right? Boom. And still use your arms to sort of control your hip, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Now, for some of you, it might look like you're not moving your hip at all because the movements are very small, or maybe you're a bit stiff, and that's perfectly normal. You just need to practice and practice because your muscles and your body needs to adapt to this type of movement, all right? So might be stiff in the beginning, but then once you practice enough, it'll loosen up and then it'll look smooth. Boom. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you guys so much, and until next time.